Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary, and today I'm talking about how to design properties that guests will love. Yes, I know it's February, so I have to pull in the whole cheesy love thing. So there are a few guiding principles that I come back to every single time we purchase a property, and it really has to do with consistency. This does not involve the cost of paying a fancy designer or buying all high-end appliances and furniture, okay? I tend to go more of the DIY route and the repurposing things through Facebook Marketplace or finding stagers that are getting rid of furniture at highly discounted prices. So these are things that like the average person can do when they're purchasing a short-term rental property that really needs to be rehabbed before a guest is using it. Typically, the first place that I start is really in the hardware of the house. So are all the lights matching in style? Does it go with the overall vibe that I'm trying to bring into the property? Are all the light switch covers and the plug-in covers the same? Okay, do I have some off-white covers and some white covers and some decorative switch plate covers? Okay, it's shocking, really, like when you go into some of these houses, how mismatched things are. And it is shocking when you replace all those for a fraction of the cost to get them to actually be consistent, the big difference that you will notice in a space. So I always start with hardware or like lamps first. Appliances, same thing. Make sure that they're matching within the kitchen because again, it comes back to that cohesive style. From there, once I've sort of established some consistency throughout the property, I then look at what overall vibe am I actually going for in this space and what can I do to bring that vibe into the different rooms? Is it going to be with a certain style of couch? Is it going to be with certain colors and pillows and blankets and duvet covers? Is it going to be a certain bed style, right? So am I going to go with lower framed beds or am I going to have big bulky large headboards because it's a big log cabin in Montana. So you really want to think stylistically, how do I bring in a theme and a vibe to my space? And again, these don't have to be highly expensive changes. We're talking like just have matching duvets. We're talking just bring in consistent colors through your paint and through those shams that are on the beds or those decorative pillows that are on the couches. Guests fall in love with properties because things feel intentional, because your decisions in every aspect of your rental all tie together.